Well, welcome back. And in this story titled Mugdhasya Kopaha, Mugdhaha means innocent, Kopaha, anger. The anger of innocent person, like that. The printouts are not clear because of scanning. I will try to read it. Suryashekaraha nama yuvakaha swabhavena ativa mugdaha. Suryashekaraha, like that one youth person, yuvakaha. Swabhavena, by nature, ativa mugdaha. He is very innocent. Kapatam namna api na janati. He doesn't know what is the meaning of kapata. Tadiyaha pita swamaranataha purvam uktavan asi. That Suryashekharasya pida swamaranataha, before his death, uktavan asi, told, Putra shramena karyam kurvanne dhanam sampadayatu. You earn money by doing efforts. Kadapi kopina yachaniyaha. Never you should ask others. Sada bhagavati vishwasaha bhavatu. Always in God you have belief. Let you have belief. Tasya dayaya bhavane parishramānugunam phalam prapsyati eva. Tasya dayaya. That Bhagavan's dayaya. Bhagavataha dayaya. Bhavan, you, parishramānugunam, according to the efforts, phalam prapsyati eva. You will get the result. Ye bhavat vishaye anyayam acharanti te bhavataha shapena piditaha bhavishyanti. Ye bhavat vishaye anyayam acharanti. Those people who cheat you, te bhavataha shapena. Those people, by your curse, piditaha bhavishyanti. They will be affected by your curse. Yetani mama vachanani kadapi ma vismaratu iti. These my words never forget, like that. Suryashekaraha pituh vachanam bhaktya shrutavan. He listened to the words of the father with devotion. Pituhu marananantaram tathaiva acharitavan api. After the death of his father, he followed the father's word. Kamapi akhedayan saha yathashakti paropakaram kurvan vishwasarghaha iti sajjanaha iti cha khyātim praptavan. Kamapi akhedayan, without creating or hurting anybody. Kheda means sadness. So akhedayan, without creating sadness to others. Saha yathashakti, within his control. Paropakaram kurvan. So within his limit he helped others. Vishwasarghaha is very trustworthy. Sajjanaha, he is a good person. Iti cha khyātim praptavan. Like that he became famous. Bahavaha tasya sahayam svikurvanti. Kintu parishramānugunam dhanam na yachanti. Many people take his help, but according to the help, they don't reward him. Dhana vishaye yeshaha tu kadapi nirbandham na karoti. And in the matters of money, this Suryashekaraha nirbandham. Nirbandham means condition. He never make any condition. Ataha tasya dainantina jivanam nirvignam prachalati chedavi dhanasangrahanam tu na bhavati. Therefore, even though his day-to-day life, dainandina jivanam means day-to-day life, nirvignam prachalati, it goes on without any difficulty, chedapi, even if it is so, dhanasangrahanam tu na bhavati. But he can't collect or accumulate, save more money. Yavat prapyate tavat vyayitam bhavati. How much he got, that much gets spent. Evam sthite, that being so, saha kadachit asvastaha abhavat. So in this life when it was moving, sometimes he get unhealthy. Chikitsartham vaidya samipam gatavan saha. And for treatment he went to doctor. Tam drishtva vaidyaha uktavan. Having seen him, the doctor told, Prathamam dhanam anayatu. First you bring money. Anantaram chikitsa iti. Then I give treatment. Tada Suryashekaraha dhainyena uktavan. Then in some humble tone he told, Shriman mama samipe varattikamitam dhanamapi nasti. I don't even have a penny. Idanim bhavane chikitsam karoto. Now you do the treatment. Yada swastaha bhavishyami tada bhavadiyam karyam kurvan rinam prattarpayishyami iti. When I become healthy, then doing the work, I will return your debt, like that. Kintu vaidyaha etatna angikritavaన్. But the Vaidya, doctor, didn't accept this. Surya Shekharaha kinkartavyata moodaha sanne khedena griham pratyagatavan. So the Surya Shekharaha, what to do like that, not knowing, khedena, sadly, he came back to home. Atra pravartam sarvam vaidyasya putri Padmini Drishtavati asi. Whatever happened in that doctor's house, it was seen by Vaidyasya Putri, daughter of doctor Padmini. Padmini is name of that daughter. Drishtavati asit. She was looking. Sa Surya Shekharam Anusritya Gatva Uktavati. She, following Surya Shekhara, told, Mama Pita itah purvam bahuvaram mad dwara, bhavat dwara bahuni karyani karitavan khalu. Mama Pita, my father, itah purvam, earlier to this, bahuvaram bhavat dwara bahuni karyani karitavan khalu. Earlier to this, many times he got the work done from you, you know. Kintu kadapi shramanu gunam dhanam na dattavan. But never he gave money according to the labor. Sacha vishayaha tasya purataha vaktavyaha asit. And that matter you have to tell in front of him. Kimartam bhavan maunam sthitavan iti. Why you stood silently, like that? Tada Surya Shekharaha swapituhu upadesham tam shravitavan. Then Surya Shekhara told the words given by, or the words advised by his father. Etat shrutva Padmini uktavati. Having heard this, Padmini told, Bhavantu sarvata mugdaha. You are always a innocent person. Evam chet jivane kashtani eva adhikani bhaveyuhu. If it is so, then mostly you will spend your life with difficulty only. Paurushena jivatu yataha bhavan purushaha. Paurushena jivatu means you live with manly things because you are a man. Jivane darshtrayam api apekshitam iti. Darshtrayam means a type of cunningness or shrewdness is also is required. Tada Surya Shekharaha Mugdaswarena Vuktavan. Then he told in some plain voice, Mugdaswara means a plain voice, soft voice, innocent voice. Bhavatyaha vachananusaram bhavatyaha pituhu sammukhi karanena samasya parihrita na bhavishyati. Bhavatyaha vachananusaram. As per your words, bhavatyaha pitu sammukhi karanena. By facing your father, samasya parihrita na bhavishyati. The problem will not get resolved. Pratidinam evam mam kaha bodhayet. Every day, who will be advising me like this? Yadi kopi bodhayet tarihi eva darshtrayam pradarshayutum mama dhairiyam bhavet. If somebody advises, then only to show that shrewdness, I get courage. Ajñate vishaye pravrittihi apayakarini khalu. Ajñate vishaye, in unknown matters, pravrittihi. Doing something in unknown matters, apayakarini khalu. It is dangerous, you know. Evam tarihi bhavane mam parinayatu. If it is so, then you marry me. Ajivanam uttamaha suchanaha dasyami. For the entire life I will give very good advice. Suchana here means information, advice we can take. Iti uktavati Padmini. Like that Padmini told, Bhavatyaha pita evam prastavam angikuryatva. Whether your father will accept this proposal, iti sandeham prakatitavan Surya Shekharaha. Like that Surya Shekhara expressed his doubt. Saha nischayena angikarishyati. Surely he will accept. Kintu tatah purvam bhavane swastaha bhavet khalu. But before that you will be all right, you know. aham idanim madiyam swarna valayadvayam bhavate dasyami. Aham idanim madiyam swarna valayadvayam. So, two bangles, gold bangles of mine, bhavate dasyami, I will give to you. Bhavani etat dvayam mama matra dattam asit iti uktva mama pitre dadatu. You give these two, saying that these two were given by my mother, like that, give it to my father. Tada pita chikitsam karishyati. Then father will do the treatment. Yada swastaha bhavishyati tada mama parinaye ichcham prakatayatu. When you become healthy, then you express your proposal. Saha nishchayena angikarishyati. Surely he will accept. Iti uktva svahaste sthitam valayadvayam nishkasya Suryashekharasya haste dattavati patmini. Saying so, she removed the bangles and gave it to Suryashekharaha. Bhavatyaha vyavaharaha eva vichitraha asti. It is very peculiar the way you are conducting. Vastutaha api mayi pratimati va bhavati. I am sorry. Vastutaha api mayi pritimati va bhavati. Actually, are you in love with me? Iti ascharyena prishtavan Surya Shekharaha. Like this, wonderingly, Surya Shekhara asked, Yadi pritimati na syam tarihi swarnavalayadvayam kuto va dadyam. If I am not in love with you, then had I not been in love with you, then why should have I given these two bangles? Itah param aham bhavadiya eva. Hereafter I am yours only. Iti mandahasa purvakam muktavati patmini. Like this, in a smiling tone, she told, Surya Shekharaha Padminya Dattam Valayadvayam Svikritya Vaidya Samipam Gatva Padmini Yatha Suchitavati Tataiva Bhuktavan. So he went to the doctor and told as was told by Padmini, taking that two bangles, gold bangles. Swarnavalayasya darshanena Vaidyasya mukham vikasitam abhavat. And the doctor's face opened up by looking at that gold bangles. Jagarukataya rakshatu iti uktva tat valayadvayam putryaha haste stapitavan vaidyaha. Carefully keep it like that. He gave those two bangles to his daughter. Padmini tat svikritya antaha gatavati. And Padmini, having taken that, she went inside. Anantara dine eva yathapurvam haste dhritavati cha. And on the next day, she wore in her hand as before. Vaidyaha Surya Shekharam swagrihe sthapayitva samyak chikitsam kritavan. And the doctor, keeping the Surya Shekhara at his home, treated him well. Ashtasu dineshu, in 8 days, Surya Shekhara purnataha swastaha jataha. Surya Shekhara totally became well. Surya Shekhara itah param bhavan swagriham gantum arhati iti uktavan vaidyaha. Hereafter you can go to your home, like that the doctor told. Bhavataha putrim parinetum ichchami shriman iti sankochena uktavan Surya Shekharaha. I like to marry your daughter, like that. In a hesitating tone, he told, Bhavane parinetum ichchati tatrapi mama putrim. You like to marry, and there also my daughter. Kim patnim samyak poshayitum samartyam asti va bhavataha. Are you having capacity to take care of wife? Iti kopamishritena swarena prishtavan vaidyaha. Like this, in an angry tone, he asked, Bhavataha putri Padmini buddhimati. Your daughter Padmini is very intelligent. Sa yadi maya saha syat tarihi aham yatkimapi sadhayitum shaknuyam iti uktavan Surya Shekharaha. If she is with me, then I can achieve anything, like that. I am capable of achieving anything. Sadhayitum shaknuyam. I am capable of achieving anything. Like that, Surya Shekhara told. Mama putri padma buddhimati iti aham janami eva. My daughter is intelligent, like that I know only. तादृशी बुद्धिमती भवन्तं परिणेतुं न इच्छेत् इति अजानन् भवान् तु मूर्खः एव. Such type of intelligent girl doesn't like to marry people like you, like that. Bhavan tu murkaha eva, not knowing that you are a fool. Iti uktavan vaidyaha. Bhavata anyata grahitam. By you, you have taken in other sense. Patmini mayi asaktya asti iti jnatva eva aham bhavantam prishtavan. Patmini is interested in me. After knowing that only, I told this to you. Sa mayi pritimati yadi nasya tarhi kuto va mahyam swarna valayadvayam datyat. If she is not having love with me, then why should have she given her own 2 bangles, gold bangles? Iti mugdaswarena uktavan Surya Shekharaha. Like that, in innocent voice, he asked this. Surya Shekharasya dattam valayadvayam putriya dattameva iti jnatva vaidyaha ahanta iti uchchaigi udgaram kritavan. Having come to know that the 2 gold bangles given by Surya Shekhara is his own daughters, like that, oh my God, ahanta, alas, iti uchchaigi udgaram kritavan. So he loudly spoken that word, Putrim Swasamipam Ahuya. Having called the daughter to him, Yeshaha Yat Vadati Tat Satyam Va Iti Prishtavancha. What he is telling, is it true? Like that he asked. Tada Patmini Uktavati. Then Patmini told, Surya Shekharaha Itah Purvam Asmakam Grihe Bahuvaram Karyam Kritavan. Surya Shekhara, earlier to this, many times he did the work in our home. Bhavatatu karyanuganam pratiphalam na dattam. But by you, according to the labor, you have not paid the wages. Ataha eva aham madiyam swarna valayadvayam dattavati. That is why I gave my 2 gold bangles. Putrim kimapi vaktum ashaktaha vaidyaha Surya Shekharam muktava. Unable to tell anything to his daughter, he told to Surya Shekhara, Bhoh, bhavane mam anjitavan. You cheated me. Purvam yatha uktavan tadanugunam karyam kurvanne mahyam dattavyam rinam prattarpayatu iti. As you told earlier, you do some work and return my debt for the treatment. Surya Shekharaha vaidyasya prastavam anivaryataya angikritavan. So without any option, Surya Shekhara accepted the Vaidya's proposal. Tada Vaidyaha Surya Shekharam muktavan. Then the doctor told to Surya Shekhara, Bhoh, mama grihasya prishtataha ekaha kupaha asti. At the back of my house, one well is there. Sacha kupaha mrittikaya bhavata puraniyaha. And that well is to be filled with sand by you. Yetadartam bhavataha grihasya parshve bhavata kupaha khananiyaha. For this filling the well of my house, you have to dig a well in your house. Anyasya sahayam kadapina swikaraniyam. And you should not take the help of anyone. Atmanaha udarapurana vyavastha api bhavata swayam drashtavya. And your self arrangement should be made for your daily eating also. Because he is working, I will not give food for, I don't know, I will give no wages and no food. You have to take care of that food arrangement. Shriman etat kashtasadhyam karyam. This is very difficult work. Ataha kripaya anyat karyam vadatu karomi iti niveditavan Surya Shekharaha. So you give some other work that I will do. Like that he told. Bhavane mam vanchayitva mattaha chikitsam karitavan. You cheating me, having cheated me, you got the treatment done from me. Bhojanadikam api mama grihe eva prachalat. And you took food also in my home. Ataha eva etadrisham kathinam karyam maya uktam. That is why by me this type of a severe job is given. Yadi etat na shakyate sakyate. If it is not possible, tarihi chatvari swarnananakani aniya dadatu iti vaidya kathora swarena uktavan. If you can't do this work, then you bring 4 gold coins and give to me. Like that, in a severe voice, he told, Swarnananakani anetum na shakyate. It is not possible to bring gold coins. Iti alochya. Thinking so, Surya Shekharaha swagrihasya parshve kupam khanan praptam mrittikam vaidyasya kupe patayitum arabdhavan. So thinking that he can't get gold coins, he started digging a well in his house, and from that earth he filled the well of that doctor's house. Vaidyasya griham tu Surya Shekharasya grihat bahudure asti. But the doctor's house is far away from Surya Shekhara's house. Tathapi mahata parishramena saha mrittikam nitva patayate. Even then, with great difficulty and efforts, he lifted the sand from his house and filled it in the doctor's house. Dine dine Surya Shekharasya kupasya gabhirata vardhate. Every day, day by day, dine dine, day by day, Surya Shekharasya kupasya gabhirata, the depth of the well of Surya Shekhara, vardhate, it grows. Kintu Vaidyasya kupaha tu yatha purvam drishyate. But the doctor's well, it appears as before, as earlier only. Sarve Surya Shekharasya dainiyam avastham drishtva anutapam pradarshyantaha vaidyam nindanti sma. All people were compassionate about this dainiyam avastham, this pitiful situation, having seen drishtva. Anutapam pradarshayanta. They were expressing their compassion. Vaidyam nindanti sma. And they were abusing the doctor. Kintu vaidyaha tu avichalaha eva asid. But the doctor did not get any shaken up by these many people's scolding or this very difficult task he assigned. Gramasthaha kechana Surya Shekharam suchitavantaha. Some of the villagers told something to Surya Shekhara. Boh murkha, O fool, yatadrishena karyena vrita shramahanihi. By this type of work, wastefully you are putting efforts. Yatat nirarthakam karyam tyajatu. You leave this meaningless work. Vaidyaha kimapi kartum na shaknoti iti. The doctor is not possible to do anything like that. Tada Surya Shekharaha uktavan. Then the Surya Shekhara told, Vaidyaha madvishaye kimapi anyayam kartum ichet tarhi sahayeva tasya phalam anubhavet. If the doctor wants to do any injustice to me, then he only gets the fruit of such action. Ahantu vanchanadikam kimapina ichchami. But I don't like any type of cheating and other activities. Yatha vachanam dattam tatha karyam karishyami eva. As I have promised, I will do the work only. Like that. Evam eva dinani athitani. Like this only days passed by. Ye Surya Shekhara vishaye karunavantaha te tam ahuya bhojanam yachanti. Those who were compassionate with Surya Shekhara, they called him and given food. Surya Shekhara tu pratidinam api avishrantataya vaidyasya kupasya purane udyuktaha bhavati. So without tiredness, avishrantataya, without tiredness, every day, day by day, pratidinam, the Surya Shekhara was engaged in filling the well of that doctor. Ekada yada saha swagrihasya parshve kupam khanan asid. Once when he was digging the well in his house, tada khanal iti shabdaha tena shrutaha. Khanal, like that some hitting sound. When he was digging, he got some sound. Saha khanana karyam parityajya tat sthalam suparikshya drishtavan. Then he stopped the digging work and he examined that place. Tena tatra tamra patra dvayam praptam. There he got 2 tamrapatram means some brass vessel. Dvayohu api antaha swarnananakani asan. On both that vessel there were gold coins. Etat drishtva Suryashekaraha ativa ananditaha abhavat. Having seen this, he was very happy. Saha patrataha mushtimitani nanakani svikritya vaidyasya griham gatavan. He took a handful. Mushtimitani means a handful. Nanakani, gold and coins. Svikritya vaidyasya griham gatavan. He went to doctor's house. Tatra vaidyaha na asit. Their doctor was not there. Kevalam Padmini asit. Only Padmini was there. Suryashekaraha Padminyai pravrittam sarvam nivedya uktavan. So he told everything to Padmini and told, Pashyatu mama shramaha vyartaha na jataha. You see, my efforts are not wasteful. Shramanu gunam phalam praptamaya. According to the efforts, I got the fruits, results. Evam tarihi itah param bhavata mama grihasya kupaha puraniyaha nasti. If it is so, then you need not fill the well of our house. Chatvari swarnananakani mama haste datva gacchatu. You go by giving 4 gold coins in my hand. Aham pituhu agamananantaram sarvam nivedayishyami. Then I will inform everything to my father when he returns. Bhavata swarnananakaihi purnam tamrapatra dvayam praptam iti Shrutva eva mama parinayam prartayan pita bhavataha griham agamishyati. Bhavata, by you, swarnananakaihi purnam, filled with gold coins, tamrapatra dvayam, 2 brass vessels, praptam iti shrutva eva. You got like that by hearing that only. Mama parinayam prartayan, requesting my marriage with you, pita, my father, bhavataha griham agamishyati. He will come to your home. Idanim bhavan gacchatu. Now you go. Iti santoshena uktavati Padmini. Like that happily Padmini told. Kutrapi gataha vaidyaha dinadvayanantaram pratyagatavan. The doctor who went somewhere, he returned back after 2 days. Saha vranitaha shrantaha. He was tired and he was injured. Jivachvatvam. Okay. Jiva shavatvam praptavancha asi. Here is the sandhi. Jiva is one word. Shavatvam. Shavatvam means the quality of dead body. Shava means dead body. Jiva shavatvam. So when 2 words join because of sandhi, Jiva Chavatvam. He was injured and tired and he was looking like a dead body, which is alive. Pravrittaha tu yatavat. Whatever happened is this much only. Vaidyaha moola sangrahanartam naimisharanyam gatavan asid. Vaidyaha, the doctor, moola sangrahanartam, to take the herbal roots, Naimisharanyam gatavan asid. He went to Naimisha Aranyam, forest. Tatra kenachit mallukena anudhavyamanaha saha bhitya dhavan kanchit griham pravishtavan. Tatra, there kenachit bhallukena. I'm sorry, I read mallukena. Bhallukena. Bhalluka means bear. Kenachit bhallukena anudhavyamanaha saha. Followed or driven by some bear. Out of fear he came and bhitya dhavan, running out of fear. Kanchit griham pravishtavan. He entered some home. Guhayam, I'm sorry again, Kanchit guham, not griha. Kanchit guham pravishtavan. He entered some cave. Guhayantu chatvaraha choraha choritanam vastunam vibhage nirataha asan. But in the cave, 4 thieves, they were dividing the share of the stolen items. ते झटिति प्रविष्टवन्तं वैद्यं संशयदृष्ट्या पश्यन्तः सम्यक् ताडितवन्तः. They saw this doctor who entered quickly or immediately or suddenly, and with samshya drishtya, with a doubtful look, pashyantaha samyak taditavantaha, they beaten him well. Saha raja bhataha na iti jnatva tam परिचर्यायाम नियोजितवन्तः. Saha raja bhataha na iti jnatva. That doctor is not some soldier like that. Jnatva, having understood, paricharyayam niyojitavantaha. Paricharya means that service, labor. Okay. Niyojitavantaha. They appointed him as a servant. Dinadvayam yavat. For a period of 2 days, Vaidyena tesham nimittam pakaha tesham vastrakshalanam tesham padamardhanam ityadikam karaniyam apatitam. For 2 days, by doctor, tesham nimittam pakaha, to do cooking for them, tesham vastrakshalanam, washing of their clothes, tesham padamardhanam, and massaging their food, ityadikam, like these many other, karaniyam apatitam. He was forced to do that work. Saha swa daurbhagyam smaran roditi. And the doctor, remembering his bad luck, he started weeping. You can see the doctor got beaten by the choraha. Te choraha tasya vimochanat purvam punaha ekavaram samyak tadayitva. Those thieves, before releasing him, again beating him well, asmakam vishaye kutrapi kimapi na vaktavyam. In our matters, nowhere anything is to be told. Tatha uktam chet. If told by you, asmakam na kapi hanihi. There is no loss for us. Kintu bhavataha paristitihi shochaniya bhavet. But your condition will be sochaniya, means something to be worried about. Smarato, remember this. Iti bhayayitva, like that creating fear, tataha gatavantaha. They went from there. Jivat chavatvam praptavantam vaidyam drashtum graminaha sarve agatavantaha. So the total villagers came to see this dead body like a doctor. Pravrittam sarvam jnatva ekaha gramajyeshtaha uktavan. Having known whatever happened, one elder of the villager told, Bhavan adrishtashali eva. You are a lucky person. Yataha samanyataha choraha svavashe agatam janam sajivam na parityajanti. Because normally the thieves, whoever comes under their control, they don't leave them alive. Shashvata rupena dasam kurvanti marayanti va. Or they permanently make you their servant or kill. Ataha bhavana bhagyashali. Therefore, you are a lucky person. Tada aparaha. Then the other person started telling, Aham vadami, I say, Surya Shekhara Vishaye yat anyayam acharitam tasya phalam etat iti. What injustice you caused to Surya Shekhara, and this is the result of that. Yaha bhagavat bhaktaha saha shramanugunam phalam prapnoti eva. He who is the devotee of God, he will get fruit according to the efforts. Surya Shekharasya pitra yatha suchitam tathaiva pravrittam. As told by the Surya Shekhara's father, like that only happened. Surya Shekhara pidana rupasya shapasya phalam eva etat. And the result of his curse and Surya Shekhara pidana rupasya shapasya means you troubled him, inflicted him, and this is the result of that curse only. Iti vadanna Surya Shekharena praptam aishwaryam api niveditavantaha. And they told the wealth, treasure got by Surya Shekhara. Tada vaidyaha, then the doctor, evam va, is it so? Bhavataha vachanam satyam eva. Your words are true only. Maya Surya Shekhara Vishaye anyayam acharitam. By me, injustice was practiced, or injustice behavior was conducted by me with Surya Shekhara. In Surya Shekhara's matters, तस्य परिहार रूपेण मम पुत्रीं तस्मै दत्वा पापात् मुक्तः भविष्यामि. So to rectify that injustice, I will give my daughter in marriage to him and get relieved of that sin. Kutra asti saha Suryashekaraha? Where is that Suryashekara? Iti vadan itastataha drishtavan. And asking that way, he looked here and there. Suryashekaraha tatra sammilitanam madhye kutrapi asit. And Suryashekara was there in that crowd somewhere. Bhumao upavishya sorastadanam rodanam kurvan asti saha. Bhumo upavishya. Sitting on that bhumau, not bhumo. Bhumau upavishya. Sitting on the ground. Sorastadanam rodanam kurvan asti saha. He was urastadanam. Urastadanam means beating on his chest, and he was crying. Saha kimartam roditi iti kopina janati. Why he was weeping, like no one knows. Sarve tasya santvane magnaha asan. Everyone was engaged in consoling him. Sva shapena vaidyaha piditaha abhavat iti khedena roditi iti kechana vadanti. Some people say he is crying because the doctor got affected by his curse. Padminim parinetum anichan vaktum cha ashaktuvan saha roditi iti anye kechana vadanti. Padminim parinetum anichan, unable, not interested in marrying Padmini, vaktum cha ashaknuvan, and unable to tell that saha roditi, he is weeping, iti anye kechana vadanti. Like this, some other people were telling. Rodanasya vastavikam karanam kopi na janati. No one knows the actual reason of weeping. Rodanam sthagitam chedeva khalu karanam kopi janiyat. If the crying is stopped, then only someone will come to know what is the reason of this weeping. Nirasatam anubhuya janaha ekaikashaha tataha nirgatavantaha. And tired of this, one by one people started moving from there. Ante Suryashekaraha Padmini Vaidyaha cha avashishtaha. And finally the doctor, Padmini, doctor's daughter, and Suryashekara were there. Kimartham rodanam samipe aranye mahachoraha santi te bhavata praptani swarnananakani apahareyuhu iti bhitihi va iti prishtavati Padmini. Why are you crying? Samipe aranye mahachoraha santi. Nearby forest, some thieves are there. Te bhavata praptani swarnananakani apahareyuhu iti bhitihi va. Are you feared that they may steal away that gold coins got by you? Like that Padmini asked. Tata kimapi nasti. Nothing like that. Bhavatyaha pitra yat kashtam praptam tatra mama shapaha eva karanam yati janaha vadanti khalu. Whatever difficulty underwent by your father, for that my curse only is the reason. Like that people are telling, Tat shrutva rodimi. Hearing that I am crying. Iti sa gatgadam uktavan Suryashekaraha. Gatgadam means in a trembling tone. While weeping, sometimes people speak and weep. That tone. Janaha vadantu nama. Let the people say. Janaha kim na vadanti. What the people don't say. Tesham vachaneshu vishesha tatparyam na bhavet. In their words there is no special meaning. Anyatcha taihi uchyamaneshu vachaneshu satyamshaha sarvatha nasti iti na. And moreover, in those words told by them, the truth is not there, is also we can't reject. Bhavane mam na shaptavan syat. You might not have cursed me. Tathapi bhavat vishaye yat anyayam acharitam tasya phalam tu anubhoktavyam eva asit. Even then, whatever injustice caused to you, by me for that the result is to be experienced, tat phalam praptamaya, and that fruit I got. That is the result I got. Iti Vaidyaha Santvaswarena Uktavan. So in a very consoling way, the doctor told, Evam tarihi bhavata yat kritam tasya yatavat eva dandanam va iti mugdaswarena prishtavan Surya Shekharaha. Evam tarihi, if it is so, bhavata yat kritam, by you what is done, tasya yatavat eva dandanam va. For that, is it only this much punishment? Like that, innocently he asked. Idanim Surya Shekharasya Rodanasya Vastavikam Karanam Jnatavati Padmini Asitavati. And now the Padmini laughed after knowing the reason of the crying of Surya Shekharaha. Vaidyasya Mukham Krishnavarniyam Jatam. And the doctor's face became dull. Tada Padmini Uktavati. Then Padmini told, Tata, O my father, Yeshaha Surya Shekharaha Paropakaram Kevalam Janati Na Kadapi Parapidanam. This Surya Shekhara only knows to help others, doesn't know to disturb others. Tadrishaha Sajjanaha Yeshaha Chintayati Yat Karyanugunam Bhavatam Paryapta Matrena Phalam Na Praptam Iti. Tadrishaha Sajjanaha Yeshaha. That type of good person, this person, chintayati, thinks, yat, that, karyanugunam bhavata paryapta matrena phalam na praptam iti. According to the injustice you caused, you didn't get the proper punishment like that. Yetavata eva nyayate. By this only it is known, yat, that, bhavata mugdhasya manaha kiyat kleshitam iti. How much you disturbed the innocence mind. Nishkapatinaha anutapaha vyartaha na bhavati. Nishkapatinaha means one who is not having any cunning qualities. Anutapaha vyartaha na bhavati. Such a person who is very innocent and not cunning, if they get some burning feeling in their mind, then that will not go waste. Saha bhavantam tada tada pidayetyeva. That will trouble you again and again. Tataha sarva prathamam bhavata Surya Shekharasya manasi sthitaha tapaha nivaraniyaha iti. Therefore, first you have to remove the burning sensation which is in the mind of Surya Shekharaha. Tapaha is a type of feeling. Tapa in general English meaning is that heatness. But the feeling is not heatness, there is some tapa, like that we say. When lovers separated, there is some tapa. And when children didn't come home, parents have some tapa, like that. Idanim Vaidyaha Atmanaha Doshan Samyak Jnatva Tan Mukhataha Vadan Surya Shekharam Kshamam Prarthitavan. Now the doctor, having known well what are all the mistakes done by him, he openly asked pardon from Surya Shekharaha. Itah param kadapi bhavataha ahitam chintayishyami. Hereafter never I will think about anything not good to you. Iti uktavan api. Like that also told. Yetena Surya Shekharasya khedaha apagataha. By this Surya Shekhara's sadness went away. Saha Nirmala Hasam Pradarshitavan. He made a very innocent smile. Nirmala Hasam means a pure smile, pure laugh, like the child. Anantaram Surya Shekhara Padminyohu Vivahaha Yathavidhi Sampannaha. Then Yathavidhi means according to rules, procedures. The marriage of Surya Shekhara and Padmini happened. Vaidyaha etaucha sukhena jivitavantaha. And doctor and these couples, they lived happily. It's a nice story. So many things we have to understand from this story. These qualities are nowadays not there in our human society because of this running, fast moving, and expecting everything in the very next moment. Like that, I really felt happy to read this story with you. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will meet you in another new story. Take care. Bye-bye.